Music died the day we lost him, but his legacy never did. Today I give him his tribute, but not the way you'd expect. Everything on your dossier screen, educational purposes only. I tried. AI, Michael Jackson, a performance. You saw the evidences, but I am going to do it one more time. Different method though, 3 prompts. Specifically engineered, each one. First, designed for Wan 2.7, follows their structural guidelines. Second, built for Veo 3.1, follows Google's official guidelines. Third, designed for Kling Motion Control, every word calculated. One real, one fiction. Now let's create AI version. Code installed. Veo 3.1, Wan 2.7, Kling Motion Control. All 3 programmed. Character consistency, easy for AI, but Michael Jackson's body language, the physics, the precision, the soul, that's not easy. That's nearly impossible. Veo 3.1, quality. Apparently, Google Veo 3 thinks Michael Jackson is Asian. Dance moves, comparable to BTS. Pixelation around hands and feet. Overall, this is a certified disaster. I'm keeping it raw here. Wan 2.7. Fails the performance completely. However, it can do well in physical performance every now and then. But Veo 3.1, multiple attempts, not a single sign of improvement. Kling Motion Control. Closest one yet, but it had an unfair advantage. But look at this. This is Kling having a full-blown seizure while trying to copy the legend. Once I removed Kling's unfair advantage. Look at this. Certified disaster soup. Forget the looks. Deep fakes. AI handles that if I push it. But the dance moves. This is Mr. Bean at a party. And today, one thing is proven. AI stands absolutely no chance to match the aura, the moves, the legend. Michael Jackson remains untouchable.